It's a good marriage proposal. She should say yes no matter what.
But Neha should realize that opportunity like this comes once in a while.
Aunt,
Yash, what happened?
What did she say?
Hold on. Rather than what she said, first tell us if she's all right. No, I mean, Miss Neha looked disturbed when she went in. Is she all right now? I hope everything is okay.
she still hasn't come out of the room.
Oh goodness. How will we ever find out her feelings about him if she's going to act so weird?
No, that's not true. I'll accept whatever decision she makes. I don't want to cause any problems for her. Most importantly, I don't want to impose my decision on her. Should I go and check on her? I mean, I'll speak to her.
All of you wait here right now. I'll go and speak to
Wait.
her.
It'll be her decision. Let her take it. We should give her some time.
But she only has to say a yes or a no.
Oh, don't say terrible things. She's going to say yes.
Her entire life rests on that decision. So far, Pari was the most important issue in her life. But all of us know how Pari thinks about this. So let me tell you what I've told her. Only Neha has the right to make a final decision. Whatever that decision is, we must accept it. Till then, we should just keep calm.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, I agree with you.
All of you are absolutely right.
Hey, why are you looking over there?
Hello?
Yash! How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm glad I ran into you here, as I would have to come to your office to give you sweets, huh? Here, have a piece of peda. Take it.
What did you bring it for?
This is what I like about you. Some people expect a huge reward for insignificant work they do, but you are not like them. I shouldn't be chatting out here. I should meet Neha right away. She gave me such great news. I must offer her sweets, right? I'll go now, huh?
Oh, wait a
See
minute.
ya.
Nothing has been decided yet.
What do you mean?
Meaning, Neha hasn't decided yet. We are waiting for a decision.
This is not done. Give me the peda. Huh? You still haven't explained to her?
All of us have explained her everything, but
How can she be so silly? Huh? She should give her consent to Mr. Paranjpe and marry him. I thought they must be finalizing wedding details by now, so I bought expensive sweets. Do you think I'm a fool to buy this?
you should calm down first. Neha will make her decision. But all of us have decided that whatever Neha decides, all of us should...
Hold on. Not all of us. It means you and others. Count me out. I'm against this. I'll make sure Neha won't reject this proposal. Neha?
Sister-in-law,
I won't hear anything. I'm going in.
wait!
You? What brings you here?
Eh?
Have a seat.
Mr. Paranjpe, when did you come here?
This is about my marriage, right?
Of course.
Why did you come here?
You should thank your stars for that. Yash is of no use. You know, Mr. Paranjpe, only I can help you now, and I'll have to deal with this mess.
That's not needed. Everything is falling into place. So please don't ruin it.
Please be reasonable. What if she rejects it?
That won't happen, huh?
I'll speak to her once.
Please come in. Have a seat inside. Please come in. Come in.
Sameer, I'm glad you called me.
Great. You're glad that I called. Then why didn't you call me if you are so glad? It would have made me also glad. Forget it. What happened to the so-called interview?
It's over.
Okay, it's over. And what is the result?
Pari has accepted Mr. Paranjpai as her dad.
Just a moment, Yash. Wait a second.
What's happened?
Oh, nothing. I took out the diary that documents your mistakes. Manipulating others to get the result that you want. This is the biggest and the most serious mistake of the day. No, I'm so glad, Yash, that you are responding rather well to this mistake week.
Sameer, what are you up to? I'm serious right now. Stop making fun.
I am making fun of you. You are making fun of yourself, Yash. Seriously, it's you. Had you kept calm and thought it through, you wouldn't do what you are doing right now.
Sameer, please, enough.
Tell me something, who are you? You are a businessman, right? You decided the future of thousands of people with a stroke of your pen as you sit in your cabin. Isn't that true? You think about the profit and loss when you are going to launch a product, correct? Why don't you think about yourself when it comes to taking care of your life?
Sameer, right now, I'm only thinking about Neha and Pari. That's it.
That's what I'm talking about, Yash. Think about Pari and Neha. But do it from your point of view. I just don't see your feelings in this decision.
I thought I was speaking to my friend, but you sound like a broken record, so I don't want to talk. Let's not talk. We talked about this many times over.
Fine. That's the end of it. Fine. Do what you feel is right. Bye.
Sameer,
Your husband ran away with all my money. First pay Mr. Patel's debt, or you can move out.
Madam, it is the boss's orders. I can't give you medicines till you clear the dues.
Give me the injection. Why do you cry every day? You should give me the injection. You are a strong mother.
When a diabetic doesn't eat the whole day, the consequences can be very serious for him. Please don't let her skip food from now on.
You don't want to get married? What are your plans then? Your husband has decamped with all the cash. You are making a mistake by rejecting Paranjpai. You know how people look at a single woman?
Mr. Paranjpai has cleared the interview. I think he can live here as a father.
Yash, it's been really long. Neha still has not come out. Would you please check on her? We must know why she's taking so long.
Neha, please don't cry. Please don't cry. Whatever your decision is, and I know what it is. So whatever your decision is, like I told you before, all of us will accept it. So don't worry about what you have to tell Mr. Paranjpai, your uncle or aunt. Don't worry about it. I'll go and tell them that Neha is...
I'm ready. I will get married.
Are you sure? I mean, you're really consenting to marry Neha?
For Pari. For Pari's future. I will get married.
What is this? Huh? How much longer will this girl make us wait? So much time has passed by. Even a first-time bride would have said yes by now. But look at how much time she is taking. Don't we know Mr. Paranjpai now? Of course we do. He's the famous lawyer Paranjpai. Isn't he the one? So what? Still, she's taking so much time. He's getting married for the first time. She's marrying for the second time. And still, he proposed to her. But she's not accepting. How much time will she waste? So frustrating. I just don't understand it. What does she mean by not saying a word? This is so meaningless. Aunt, I have an idea. We should know what is going on here, right? Let me go and see what's going on there. So we will know what is going on. I am going right now and to see... Yash! What happened? What happened? What did Neha say? Yash, tell me quickly. What...
Finally, Neha has made her decision.
Why are you speaking in riddles? Please tell me what it is clearly. What is it, Neha? What did you decide to do?
So far, all I have done is only for Pari. She is my life and my future. If she wants me getting married and this is going to improve her life, then I will get married.
Neha, you have made me so happy by saying that. I told you so, right? I told you so. Neha is so sensible. She will make a very well considered decision, right? Right? Yes. Congratulations, congratulations. Neha, Parashbhai, congratulations to you.
Thank you. Miss Neha, thank you very much. You have understood my emotions. Now I really have no clue what to say.
It seems my stringent fast has paid off. Almighty has been really merciful.
Neha gave us such good news. Let's offer sweets to everyone at least.
Yes, yes, of course. I'll bring some sugar.
Okay.
Yash, you have really won, huh?
I'm merely the means to an end, Aunt.
If you really think so, then you are truly noble. I will always be indebted to you for all that you have done for us.
What are you all doing here?
Just like you let him pass your exam, your mother has passed him too.
Are you saying the new friend will be my dad now?
Yes.
Yes, dear. Now it's all going to be the way you want it. Neha, stand next to the son-in-law. Let me ward off the evil eye for all of you. I am most likely to jinx you, you know. After seeing all three of you together, I'm feeling very emotional.
What a fine couple you make.
Neha, your lonely days are over permanently.
Yes, we don't have to worry anymore.
Yes.
We can't take it easy now. She said yes, right? So we must carry on with the other decisions, right? Huh?
Wait, please. What's the hurry?
Come on. We have to hurry now. Until both of you get on track, I won't be at peace. I mean, all of us, we all won't be at peace. What's wrong with you? Now, here's what we will do. We will take a nice family photo. Wait, please. Let's use my cell phone to take it. Aunt, come along. Come here, Uncle. Come along. Stand in the center, huh? Now, all of you must smile sweetly, okay? Neha, why are you looking outside? Say cheese.